Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how I make my lazy Mexican rice. It comes out perfect every single time, so if you're ready, let's get started. Alrighty guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, they will be listed in the description box. So with that being said, let's begin cooking. We're going to begin by adding 1/4 of a cup of oil to our non-stick pan. Set it over medium heat and allow it to heat up. Once our oil is nice and hot, we're going to add 1.5 cups of long grain white rice. If you rinse it, make sure that it is completely dry. So now we're just going to begin to fry it for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, add 1/4 of an onion. We're going to continue frying for another 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, add 2 Roma tomatoes, small dice, and make sure that not to add the seeds. Along with that, 1 garlic clove. Give it another minute. After the minute, our rice should be nice and golden. So here we're going to add 3 cups of water. Along with that, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of tomato paste, 1 tablespoon of tomato bouillon, 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of ground cumin. Just going to mix it and dissolve the tomato paste. And here you can taste the broth and see if you want to add any salt, but for me this is always perfect. So now we're just going to allow it to come to a simmer. Once it comes to a simmer, reduce the heat to the lowest setting, cover it, and allow it to cook between 20 to 25 minutes or until all of the liquid has evaporated. Okay, so after 20 minutes, my rice is done. So this is what it looks like. So now I'm just going to fluff it so like that we can get all of the vapor out and the rice stops cooking. And once it fluffs, we're just going to cover it and allow it to sit for 5 minutes. Okay, and after 5 minutes, we can get ready to serve and enjoy our delicious Mexican rice. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that I hope you give this recipe a try. If you're still struggling to make the perfect Mexican rice, try this recipe. I promise you it's going to be perfect every single time. And it is honestly super delicious. This is the rice I like to make on those days, you know, that I just don't want to pull out my blender and wash it. But I hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. Cheers and enjoy. Super delicious, so flavorful, so fluffy, and it's just the best. You know, you can enjoy it like this, and of course just serve it with all of your Mexican dishes. Mexican rice goes perfect with all of your favorite dishes, enchiladas, tacos. You know, just enjoy it like that by itself, but literally it's honestly the best. Alrighty guys, and there you have it at home, make my super easy and delicious Mexican rice. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you recreate this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.